Poem by Lina Kostенко about dreams. And the truth is, the wings do not need the ground. If there is not earth, then there will be sky. If there is not fleet, then there will be will. If there is not steam, then there will be clouds. This is probably the truth for bird. But what about person word? What about person word? Live on earth. He doesn't fly the sky, but he has wings behind. Oh, he has wings behind. Those wings, are not made of feathers, but from the truth, virtue, and trust, and what matters. For some, out of loyalty in love, for some, out of internal passion move, for some, out of sincerity to work, for some, out of concert generous talk, for some, out of a song or from hope, either from poetry or from a dream globe. Humans don't seem to fly, but they have wings behind. Oh, he has wings behind.